Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Portrait Tech, and today I have another case video for you. So if you're looking for budget accessories, budget tech for your personal or business use, this is a channel for you to stop by, because I do review and recommend budget techs and accessories. Okay, so if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. So make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are turned on for notifications when I post on this channel. So we're not gonna do much talking about what we're gonna do today, but I'm gonna unbox this case on this channel. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, and if you're someone who uses MagSafe and you're trying to get a MagSafe case, I do see Apple have a lot of MagSafe cases, but the prices are, oh man, they're outrageous. So this is Mayfigno. This is a Mayfigno magnetic case. It's MagSafe case, and if you're trying to find a case that's not too expensive, this is a really good case. Let me open this and show you what it looks like. Here it is, and it does come with a mini phone stand inside. I mean, I pretty much don't use this, but if you're a person who watches movies and videos on your phone, then this would be something you could use. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box. So this is what the case looks like. It's a frosted case. In the back it's frosted. It does have the MagSafe in the back here, as you can see. So if you're someone looking for a stylish case, this kind of remind me of the Spigen cases. Oh man, with the trims going around, looks really nice, and it's frosted. And I have the graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max, so you know this is gonna look really nice. So this is MagSafe. It's a MagSafe case. I think this is like $25 on Amazon, but compared to like $60 from Apple, you're saving more than half. Okay, so this is a nice case if you're looking for a budget case for your iPhone as far as MagSafe goes. So this is MagSafe. As you can see, he has the magnet in the back here. So let's put this on the phone and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Slap that on, and here it is. Nice case. So if you're someone looking for something kind of stylish, kind of like a Spigen looking style case, but you want it to be MagSafe, then this is a definite option. You definitely need to look into this one, and I'm gonna have the link for this on my channel, so you can go in the description and it's gonna be listed there. Okay, I'm gonna have the Amazon link for this, so you can make your purchase if this is a case that you see that you like. Okay, so if you can look here on the side, you have your power button here, really nice and clicky. Oh man, easy to press in, really soft and nice. So let me stop that messing with the SOS. So there you go, looks really nice and clicky. Your volume rocker here as well, feels really nice. You have easy access to your silent switch here, flick it on and off. And your camera bump here is really nice. Your cameras are protected here with the cutout for your camera. Has a lip over here, so if you put your phone on the back, your cameras are protected, or if your phone should fall on the back, your cameras are protected. It's nice and sturdy, as you can see. Nice rubber going around the case. Nice, it's really nice and uniform here. You have your cutout at the bottom for your lightning port and your speakers as well. All right, and you have this is a MagSafe in the back, and it's frosted, so you're not going to, the logo is really hard to see through this case. So if you want to show your Apple logo, this might not be the case for you, but as far as protection, it's really nice. It offers a lot of protection here, as you can see. Has a lip over the glass here that protects your phone if you put it face down as well. All right, so that's it. This is the Mayfigno magnetic case. It's a MagSafe case, so if you're looking for a cheap MagSafe case, this is a definite option for you. Okay, and it's really, as far as budget wise, it's more than half. It's less than half of what Apple sell their cases for, so this is a good option. Okay, so that's it. Hope this video helps you out if you're looking for a MagSafe case at a really budget price. So if you're into other cases, I have other cases on the channel, do unboxing and reviews on the cases, so you can look at that as well. Or if you hear a noise in the background, that's the guys doing some construction on an apartment next to me, but hopefully it doesn't bother you too much. But that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. All right, and check out my other videos I have on the channel. I have a lot of different videos on the channel, so do check those out and hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on the channel. All right, thank you for watching again. Peace.